Hello everyone, welcome back. I gave these presets away a while back. I had since then re-modified them a little bit. Now you can use them on any aspect ratio, 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. Doesn't matter. They will be in the description below. And you'll see they work on that too. Have to download them. Go to Effects, Titles, look for SDS Pop-In Image. A lot of people like these, so I figured I would put them back out there again. Like I said, I did do a tutorial on this already. Just a giveaway, not how I made them. But they're a lot nicer now. You can use them in any size, 720, 1080, or 4K, whether it's vertical or horizontal. I'll give you a quick rundown while I'm here. You can add an outline. You can change the image, put whatever logo or whatever you want in there. Just select the browse button. And there you go. And you have a size button, angle, flip, vertical, horizontal. Some of them have an invert, so you can reverse it. And you got your background color. And if you want to make it transparent, put something else under it, make it black, and turn the alpha all the way down. And you can put whatever you want under it. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.